What is up, my Forex for beginners family? So that's the best introduction that I've ever come across. Sadali has the best introductions in each and every video that he makes. If you're a beginner in Forex, you need to watch each and every Sad Ali videos. I highly recommend it. I highly recommend watching each and every Sad Ali's videos. Is the best mentor that you'll ever have. Is the best mentor, the best. And when I say the best, the greatest, the GOAG, yeah, no, GOAT, the GOAT, the greatest of all time, the GOAT. Sad Ali has been the best mentor for me, honestly, from day one up to this day. I've learned lots and lots of things that I never knew about Forex. I never knew about trading. I never knew how to make a trade, how to create an account. If you're looking to learn how to do each and everything step by step, you need to watch each and every Sad Ali's videos on YouTube. I don't know how I came across the videos, but I truly thank God that I did come across Sad Ali's videos, because it's the best. And if I ever meet someone that's trying to get into a trade, get into learning Forex, I will always recommend Sad Ali's videos on YouTube, because he's the best mentor. I've learned how to create an account from day 1 to day 6. Day 1 to day 6 was the basics. Lesson started at day 7 going forward. Sad Ali has been a great mentor. I never knew how to create an account. First of all, I never knew how to deposit money, how to create a demo account. I never knew how to use the MetaTrader 4 on my PC and also on my phone. I never knew how to read the chart. I never knew anything about trading until I came across Sad Ali, who took me step by step from lesson 1 to lesson 2 up to now. Yeah, if you're a beginner trader, you need to learn each and every lesson step by step from day 1 up to the last day. So I'm not done yet with my studies, but I'm still continuing. I'm releasing this video because I need to if you're a beginner, you need to be encouraged, and if you're a beginner and you are willing to learn trading, and your heart really wants it, you need to learn trading from Sad Ali. I don't have much to say. I've learned how to use the fib tool. I've learned how to draw the parallel channel. I've learned how to set up my account. I've learned how to use the moving averages. I've learned how to use the trend lines, how to read the candlesticks. My mindset has been great. Risk management, how to calculate the pips and the pipettes. That's the best thing that I've learned from Ali, and I'm continuing learning. I have to go back to lesson day 1 actually, because I really love how Ali presents his videos, how he teaches his videos, and how he mentors people. I never said my name. My name is Dixie. I'm from Kenya, and I would like to say that Sad Ali is the GOAT, greatest of all time. No one can tell me anything.